Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnail. So first of all, we are going to talk about the prompt, the basic thing you need for your YouTube thumbnail. Then we're going to discuss about how you can create YouTube thumbnail with this prompt. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. I'm going to open my doc file and here you can see for YouTube Shorts thumbnail 60 by 9 ratio. You can see in here. So this is my title. You can also create from YouTube thumbnail 60 by 9. This is not short size. So short will be 9 by 16. This is your shorts thumbnail size. So this is my title. Puppy lying on the street crying all nights for its mother. Make YouTube thumbnails according to the title above. This will be a strange mix of science fiction, reality which falls into. So this is your need for your thumbnail. Which type of thumbnail you want to create. This is your prompt. Science fiction and reality which falls into the part. Viral clickbait mystery. Category on YouTube. Write me a prompt to make a thumbnails in English. So the picture is 8K ultra realistic. So this is our one kind of prompt for a thumbnail. So this is our need. If you want to add this, you can add more details to in your thumbnail. The first one is emotion first. Body language, light shadow, eye details, skin and texture, cloth and environment story, depth of field, color mode, camera angle, micro details, natural pose. So you can add all of this in your thumbnail prompt. So emotion first, tears in the eyes, facial tension. You can also change this as your requirement. I use tears, but you can use smile and happy like something this. So body language you can see tired hands and heavy legs. So you can customize this as your requirement. So now this is our title, Lost Baby Monkey. So this is the prompt. If I did this prompt, you can see this in here. A sad lonely baby monkey wearing dirty, oversized, sleeveless t-shirt and torn denim shorts. So you are going to add details in your prompt. He's walking barefoot on a dusty road, looking around panic with teary eyes as if he's searching for his mother. And you can mention background and style, 3D animation style. So like this. But most of the time I use this one, create details based on new prompt for my YouTube thumbnail. Also SEO friendly from this title. Do not mention YouTube name or login prompt. So I needed details thumbnail prompt based on new prompt for my YouTube thumbnail. I mentioned this. I need YouTube thumbnail prompt. Also SEO friendly from this title. The title is below. You can see in here. But I also mention do not mention YouTube name or logo in prompt. Sometimes AI can make mistake to add your YouTube logo or name in your thumbnail. So I avoid this by typing this. Now I'm going to copy this prompt and go to my browser and here go to ChatGPT. There are various type of chatbot you can found or AI you can found, but I think ChatGPT is best. I use ChatGPT, Gemini AI, DeepSeek. There are many models available in market, but I think ChatGPT is best, simply best for my YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to paste this and copy my title and paste in ChatGPT and click on send prompt. So it will generate my YouTube video thumbnail prompt. You can see in here. And here you can see our image generator. The first one is Wix. You can type Flow or Wix in your browser, and the second one is Leonardo AI. And here you can lock your sheet. What is sheet? Actually, you can make same type of image or same type of environment in your image. If you lock this sheet, simply press in here, or you can copy your sheet, and this is your ratio or size. You can say the square, portrait and landscape. So I'm going to use landscape, and this is actually a random prompt. You can see in here if I type this, we have a prompt, so I don't use this. If I explain this, you can see you can add image or enter text to make consistent image. You can make many image with same character consistency. If you add or upload this image in here, you can also upload scene or style, what type of style you want to make image. So I'm going to create thumbnail, so I don't need all of this. If you have one character for your thumbnail or permanent character, you can add this in here. And the second one is Leonardo AI. In here you can found various type of model. You can see it's automatically select model auto. There are various type of model you can found in here, but I'm going to use ideogram 3. I think this is the best one for YouTube thumbnail. Now I'm going to copy my prompt from here and paste it in Wix. Now I'm going to add this prompt in Leonardo AI also. Simply press Ctrl V, and here you can change this to auto to on or off. What is the prompt enhance? It can auto enhance your prompt. If your prompt have any lag, that it will be automatically fix this, or you can off this prompt will not be modified. So if you want to select this auto, it will be good for your prompt. Then the quality, turbo, balance. If I click on balance, you can see I need 70 credit to generate one image. If I click on quality, then I need 105 credit for one image. This is the credit, this is the limitation of this site. So in here you can also change your image size. This is actually for YouTube. And if I click on this number of generation, I need premium membership. So we cannot change this. And if I click on OK, but I'm going to first click on turbo and click on generate, it will take some time to generate our YouTube thumbnail. So you can see our thumbnail. If you are not happy with this, you can generate again, or you can choose another prompt. If you don't see prompt like this, many prompt, you may see just one prompt in ChatGPT. Then you can type more prompt to create more prompt for your thumbnail. Now it create another image with same prompt. Now you can see machine learning. I'm going to select another prompt. Paste in here also. You can experiment this with various type of prompt. In Wix, if you have details prompt, you can generate stunning thumbnail. So you can see my prompt is very short. You need to generate details prompt to see a great result. Sometimes Wix make great thumbnail and sometimes Leonardo AI. So you can experiment which one is best for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.